Tell me when you're on. Okay. All right. Hello, my name is Stan Newkman. We are the fabricators of the cabinetry, and we're going to give you step-by-step directions. So the first step is to put this plate on the wall, and it'll be at 96 inches high. All this is going to be written down, and the drawings are going with you. So this is going to land. So go ahead and pull those panels off so that way they can kind of see what it looks like behind there. This will be at the height at 96 inches. You anchor this to your block wall, then you can screw this there. So that's the first step, is to anchor this on your block wall at 96 inches, centered on where you're going to have it. And then I'm going to put this off to the side, because our next step is to screw these panels together. And you got to pull them off the wall. And I'll hold this side, and then Kenny. Alright, so I got this side here, but Kenny, he's going to need help lining that out.
Okay, so are you doing box shots?
Kurt, pull yours forward a little bit, because you got to have enough room for the ladder.
I'm good, son. I'm just going to show them the holes that you need.
Okay.
So get it together. Okay, tell me when it's close.
Alright.
Okay. All right, we good?
Yeah.
So using pre-drill holes, 1.25 inch screws, which will be supplied. Screw together, pre-drill holes. Only pre-drill holes. No other space should be screwed. Okay? So, all right, pull the bottom. Are you ready? Push your side, the right side. Okay. Middle. By your head.
Looking good, James. Going together nice.
Yeah, I built it.
Yeah.
Okay. Every hole should be screwed together for proper structure of panels. All right. We got like 4 panels here.
Okay. So yeah, I mean, you got to probably lift up one side of it.
Ready?
Yep. So then the wall needs to be pushed back, make sure it's centered where it belongs. You remember your cleat, your nailer, is behind here. So here you will get up and you will anchor into that wood cleat anywhere along here. I'd probably put 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 screws into that wooden cleat. Then on the bottom, you can screw into your wall there if you need to. If it's already tight, you should be okay. And then after that, we got these filler pieces. There's a left and a right, and they're labeled. Here's left side, here's the right side. And this is going to make sure that it lines up left side correctly. Okay? All right, and then there's a middle filler that goes behind the cabinet into this little slot.
No anchor necessary.
And that just slides in there. Okay?
Come on, let's go. One at a time.
That's where it's hitting the other.
What is it?
The panels aren't lined up. So this one's just a little lower.
Yeah.
Okay, so we have to fix that for that. That's a glitch right there.
Yeah. All right, you go ahead and pause it. All right, so now that we got the cleat on the wall, we're getting ready to put this together. Let's start off by putting this filler strip in here. The first step is making sure that it's all level. As we're going to put this little strip in here, it's going to tell us if it's correct.
What is the strip? Right behind it.
side here. Okay, there. And then you may need somebody in the back to kind of push that. Okay, that's better, Kirk. Okay.
All right. So,
Alright, so I'm going to hold this, and then Kenny's going to get back there and screw the wall together.
how many bottoms now? Middle?
Yeah. Good.
My head. At the very top.
Okay, hold on.
That's right.
Looks like it's opened
Okay.
up. Yeah.
All right, hold on.
It could be that shim on the bottom. That's
Let's take a shim on this side.
cantilevering it.
Give a shim on this side.
Okay. There.
That's what we did outside, eh?
That's a
Okay.
little bit up.
Okay.
All right, so the middle.
Alright.
My head. At the very top. Come on. Okay.
Okay. Okay. Alright, so we're looking good. Everything's level. And then we will have to lift up the wall and bring it over to up against that cleat.
Yeah.
Yeah. Alright. So then here is where you'll get up and anchor this off. Just 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, however many plates to make sure it's tied up against the wall. You got your filler strip there, and then you also have these 2 small filler strips. You have a left and a right. Here's the right. Here's the left. That slides in here. You can anchor down here also, because this is not seen, so you can anchor back there too. But you got your left side, your right side, and that's going to help us center the cabinet. All right, so next is we'll go ahead and bring the cabinet on over. Kirk, can you grab that in? Okay. And if you would just lift up your side, let me get this dolly out. That way you don't have to hear yourself. Okay. All right. And then as far as
Give a second, you break them
yeah,
out.
let's lift it up.
Gently lift up, slide in place.
Okay.
Right, you gotta shoot on the 2 sides.
So, is that where we need to be? A little more?
Alright, that flushes us with our filler.
Yeah. So then, that right there is flush. You got this? That right there is going right up at where the base starts. Also, it's kind of centering this piece. And then, from here, you will just screw this off. Right here. And that screws right up to the wall. And then we got our upper piece. Let's see here. We got, I don't see any screw holes there. But
You got 2.
we got 2 over there
And 2 on this side.
and 2 on this side. And then
You can unscrew the
these doors, just so you know, these come off with a little spring right here. You can pull that spring, and then there's a little pin there that you can hook in there, hook, and then make sure it clicks into place. So you may want to take the doors off to make your installation easier, to get them out of the way where they won't get damaged. And then you have your finished top piece. Alright. So this this top piece, because you already got this anchored off, this sits on top. Okay? You can center this, and you can glue or shoot a couple pins in there. Maybe toenail pin up on the top, so that way it don't mess up the front. And then, is there anything else, Kenny? That's it. And that's it. Thank you.